The top 3 best Bitcoin websites. EOBot. EOBot was made since 2013 and located in United States. It is a real-time exchange allowing between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ripple, Dash, Goleum, Cardano, KuCoin, NIM, Monero, Zcash, Factom, Bitcoin, Steem, Lisk, EOS, USD, Gridcoin, and Ethereum Classic. Coinbase. Coinbase is the easiest and most trusted place to buy and sell and manage your digital currency. WeUseCoins. WeUseCoins is a website to help you know what Bitcoin is and what it means. Go to this website to find out more information about Bitcoin. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.